Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 richest real estate developers in 2023. As you guys know, real estate can definitely build wealth in your life or your family's life, so it's definitely something you should always pay attention to and maybe, invest in yourself. So do you guys know highest paid real estate developers in 2023? Well, today you're going to find out. We're going to start with number 5. Leonard Stern at number 5, who has an estimated net worth of $4.5 billion. Stern is the chairman and CEO of the Stern Group, a real estate development company that owns and manages over 10 million square feet of real estate in the U.S. Number 4, Sam Zell, RIP to Sam Zell. He actually recently passed away, but he's next up. We have Sam Zell, who has an estimated net worth of $4.8 billion. Zell is the founder and chairman of Equity Group Investments, a real estate investment firm with over $50 billion in assets under management. That's a lot. $50 billion? I can only imagine. Number 3, Stephen Ross at number 3. We have Stephen Ross, who has an estimated net worth of $7.6 billion. Ross is the chairman and CEO of the Related Companies, a real estate development company that owns and manages over 30 million square feet of real estate in the U.S. Number two, we have HONGBIN coming in at number 2. We have HONGBIN, who has an estimated net worth of $9.2 billion. Sun is the founder and chairman of Sunek China Holdings, a real estate development company in China. Sunek China Holding is one of the largest real estate developers in China with a market capitalization of over 20 billion. You gotta think, man, if people live in China and they're owning in America and China, man, they gotta be wealthy. And at number 1, we got Mr. Bren, and finally, Mr. Bren, who has an estimated net worth of $15.5 billion. Bren is the richest real estate developer in the U.S. and the owner of IRVINE company and real estate development company that owns and manages over 150,000 acres of land in Orange County, California. And if you guys are wondering, how is this man the richest person in America, the richest real estate developer in America? Because he owns 150,000 acres in California, which is one of the hottest markets in the U.S. So we can only imagine that he has to be beyond a billionaire. So don't forget to like and subscribe to your boy's channel for more informative videos like this. Don't forget the notification button so you get that ding whenever I put out something new. So this is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, over and out.